Hi, good morning, students. In today's class, we are going to read and revise the important points in lesson 1 and 2 for your examination purpose. Be ready with your book and pencil. Page number 30, the first lesson, badminton. In this image, you can see some lines are underlined. Those are the important points I am going to read out. History. The sport of badminton has its origins in ancient civilizations in Europe and Asia. The ancient game known as battledore and shuttlecock probably originated more than 2000 years ago. A contemporary form of badminton, a game called poon. The next, dimensions. There are two types, singles and doubles. The singles and doubles, it has the same length of court, which is 13.40 meters. It's common for both singles and doubles. Next, width of the single is 5.18 meter, the doubles 6.10 meters. In singles, gap between singles and double sideline is 0.46 meter. In doubles, 0.72 meters. Next, we are going to see equipments in badminton. Number 1, post. It is 1.55 meter in height from surface of the court placed on doubles sidelines. Number 2, net. Top of the net from the surface of the court is 1.524 meters at center of the court and 1.55 meters over the sidelines for doubles. There shall be no gaps between the ends of the net and the post. The third one, racket. Weight of the racket not less than 100 grams. The next, shuttle. A shuttle may be natural or synthetic material. It has 16 feathers fixed in base. It weighs from 4.74 grams to 5.50 grams. Next, I am going to explain how to draw a badminton court with measurements. First, draw a rectangular box and mark the length 13.40 meters, which is common for singles and doubles. The next, width 5.18 meters for singles and 6.10 meters for doubles. And see the all other markings and name the zone accordingly. Try to draw many times for your practice. In exam, you have to mention all the measurements same as in the image. Now, lesson 2, sprints. Here we see overview of track and field events. A standard international track is 400 meters in circumference. It has 8 lanes and the width of each lane is between 1.22 meters to 1.25 meters. Track and field events include sprints, middle distance running, long distance race, hurdles, steeplechase, relay races, walking, throwing events, and jumping events. Track and field events are organized from the ancient Olympics. Next, start. The start is given by the following commands by the starter. On your mark, set. After the gunfire or clapping, the race starts. The next, on your mark. In on your mark position, hand should be placed behind the starting line. Next, set. On the word of command, set, the athletes lift their hip up slightly higher than the body. Complete body weight is brought to the hands. Next, gunfire. When the starter confirms all the athletes are steady, within 2 seconds he fires the pistol. The athlete pushes the starting block and starts running. The next, crouch start. There are 3 types of starts in crouch start. 1. Bunch start. Second, medium start. Third, elongated start. The next, finish. The runner whose torso reaches the finish line first is the winner. See, torso means a trunk of the human body. It means without your limbs. Limbs means your hands and neck and legs. Next, fouls. During the start, only one foul per race is allowed. If athlete made second, athlete will be disqualified from the particular event. Second, the athlete should not touch the starting line before the gunfire. Third, the athlete should not move from set position before the gunfire. The last one, while running, the runner should run only in their respective lane. Children, I hope you have noted all the important points. Prepare well and get ready for your exams. All the best.
Thank you.
Thank you.